podcast. Today, I want to talk about something simple but very important in learning English, which is how to describe things naturally. Many people think that being fluent and means speaking fast or using difficult vocabulary, but actually, fluent is about being able to explain what we see, feel, and experience in a clear and natural way. In this podcast, I will try to describe simple things around me using layer by layer technical. I will focus on one main object, which is my perfume, Marina Fresh Sparkle. Marina Fresh Sparkle. And then I will connect with my daily routine and personal feelings. So, let's start with something very simple. Let me describe an object that I use almost every day. This is my perfume. At first, I can say this is a perfume. Then I add more details. This is a blue perfume bottle. This is a blue perfume bottle with a slim shape. If I look closer, the bottle has flower illustration and the design looks fresh and feminine. When I hold the bottle, it feels light and the surface feels smooth in my hand. Now let me talk about the scent. When I open the cap, I can immediately smell a fresh and clean fragrance. The scent is not too strong, but it feels refreshing, like a soft breeze in the morning. It feels fresh, simple, and comfortable, not heavy or overwhelming. To make the description more alive, I will use my five senses. From sight, I can see the blue color and floral design. Which makes the bottle look calm and refreshing. From touch, the bottle feels smooth and light, so it's easy to carry in my bag. From smell, the fragrance feels clean and soft. It reminds me of freshly washed clothes or a fresh morning from taking a shower. Emotionally, the scent makes me feel calm and confident. When I wear it, I feel more prepared to start my day. Using the five senses helps me explain not only what the object looks like, but also how it makes me feel. Now, I want to connect with object with my daily routine. Usually, I use this perfume in the morning after I take a shower and get dressed. I spray the perfume lightly. The smell routines makes me feel fresh before going to campus or doing my activity. Instead of just saying I use perfume every day, I describing the routine like this make it feels more real. Sometimes, even when I feel tired, The scent helps improve my moods and makes me feel more comfortable. Compared to another perfume, Marina Fresh Sparkle feels more suitable for daily use. Some perfumes are too strong or too sweet, but this one feels light and refreshing. I think this perfume is perfect for people who like simple and clean scent. It doesn't try too hard, but it still makes you feel confident. You know, sometimes describing simple objects like this perfume may sound easy, but actually it's helped us to practice speaking step by step. When I first tried to describe something in English, I felt nervous because I thought my vocabulary was limited. But then I realized then that I don't need complete words. I just need to start from basic description and slowly and add more details. For example, instead of saying only "this smell good," I can say "this smell fresh and clean like more air after rain." By adding small comparison, my description becomes more interesting and expensive. Another tips that helps me is imagination. That I telling a story to friend. When we talk to friend, we usually speak more naturally without overthinking grammar too much. Also, connecting object with memories or emotionally makes the description more meaningful. For me, this perfume is not just a fragrance. It becomes more part of my daily identity because I use it before important moments like going to class, meeting friends, or attending event. Sometimes a simple object can represent confidence. Even a small routine like using perfume can change how we feel about ourselves. So, when you practice describe something, try to ask yourself. Like, what does it look like? How does it feel? What does it remind you of? What do you usually use it? How does it makes you feel emotionally? There's question, can you help you? There's question, can you help you speak louder without memorizing completely sentence? From this podcast, we can learn describing things with more details help us sound more fluent in English. We don't need perfect grammar. What's important is being brave to speak, adding layers, and using our sense. Thank you so much for listening to my podcast. I hope this helped you practice describing things more naturally. See you next time!